Hello, everyone. This is part one of Unit 2 in Python programming language. Now, what is a programming language? A programming language is nothing but it's a set of words, it's a vocabulary which will help us to write the program. Now, with the help of the words that are there in the programming language, I will be able to write a program. When that program will get executed, I will be able to show an output. A programming language is a formal language that specifies a set of instructions that can be used to produce various kinds of output. A programming language is a vocabulary. Vocabulary means set of words and set of grammatical rules. So there are a set of words and a rule and a set of rules how those words are to be used and the program is to be written for instructing a computer to perform specific tasks. Now, with the programming language, what we write is called a computer program. A computer program is a collection of instructions that perform a specific task when executed by a computer. So when the program is executed by the computer, it performs a specific task. It is usually written by a computer programmer in a programming language. Now, here we are going to discuss about Python. Python was created by Guido von Rossum. It was It was developed in 1991. Now, there are various advantages which Python offers. First of all, it is very easy to learn, read, and maintain. So this is a very easy language to learn because the terms that are used are usually like simple English words, which makes it very simple to be understood by anyone. And it has few keywords, a simple structure, and a defined syntax. Syntax is nothing but the rules with which we write the program. It has a broad standard library. There are various library functions which we can use in Python. Like, for example, calculation of that is sine of x, cos of x. So now with that, there are lot. That is a simple example for a library function. Python has several of such library functions which helps to make the work easy. The next is interactive mode. The Python language is developed in an interactive mode, that is it's very easy to debug and test the programs. The next advantage is compatibility and portability. Python program written on one Windows version can be executed on another Windows version also. That is, it is portable. A Python program written on a 64-bit operating system can also be run on a 32-bit operating system. So it is portable from one system or one operating system or hardware to another operating system or hardware. Python can run on a wide variety of operating systems and hardware platforms. It has the same interface on all the platforms. The next point is it is extendable. I can write any new modules that I want to be added to the library so that it makes my work easier. And Python also has interfaces to interact with databases, and the programs that are written with Python are scalable. Scalable it means if I uh, run the program with two numbers, I will be able to run the program with 100 numbers also. That is, I upscale the program. There are various applications of Python. So, one of the applications is when web and internet development. Websites can be developed using Python. Some business applications can be developed. Games and 3D graphics support is also there with Python. Database access is also possible. The next is software development. Any new software that needs to be developed can also be done with the help of Python. And desktop applications can also be developed with the help of Python. Thank you.